Hello everyone and welcome to the O3 Labs YouTube channel, or if you're watching this on Binance Live, welcome to my demonstration of the O3 NFT Shuttle. The O3 NFT Shuttle has three main modules, starting with the NFT Gallery. This is where users can connect their wallets here and see all of their NFTs on all of the chains that we currently support, starting with Ethereum, BNB chain, and Polygon. So three chains to start with, but we are going to go with a further fourth chain in Arbitrum very soon in the near future. So I have my NFT here. This is a fake Bored Ape. It's on the Ethereum testnet, and we can see his traits here, some of the traits. So one of the things that we can do here within NFT Shuttle is transfer. We can input an address and transfer to a friend. Another thing we can do, obviously, is bridge across chains, and that will take us to the new modules. So summary of NFT Gallery: just see and maybe send or bridge your NFTs across chains. So now we're going to dive into the bridge aspect of NFT Shuttle. So it's pretty straightforward here. Right now we're on the Go Early Ethereum testnet, and we're going to be able to go to the BNB chain or Polygon testnet. So I am going to choose the BNB chain testnet because we are live here, with the on BNB Live, right? So we'll select that and select our NFT already selected here and just confirm. And I'm going to have to approve this collection, this Bored Ape Yacht Club collection, because it's a first time transaction, before I'm able to bridge. And here we go again. We're going to be bridging. Confirm. Looks like I don't have enough Go Early ETH, so I might have to go to the faucet and go get some, but I will be right back. So the last capability that we're talking about here, after the airdrops, which I mentioned before, where you can still claim your airdrops, is the use of O3 swap within the NFT Shuttle. We've added our O3 swap widget so that if users are lacking gas, they can quickly and seamlessly get their gas that they need to complete their transaction. Of course, it depends which chain you are on, which gas you need. So if you're on the BNB chain, you're going to need BNB. So we can complete a swap on BNB chain very quickly, just by approving that BUSD and then swapping directly for that BNB on BNB chain. So yeah, that is the NFT Shuttle in a nutshell. So what we have here is the NFT Gallery, where you can view all of your NFTs. That BNB NFT is showing up a little funkily here since it bridged because of our lock and mint mechanism. Then we have the bridge from any of these chains to any other, depending upon what the source chain of the NFT is, and our airdrop module here, where you can claim all of your airdrops depending upon which NFTs, new NFTs or tokens you're entitled to based on the NFTs that you're holding. All right, thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for having me on BNB Live. We hope that you can visit O3 Swap and use our NFT Shuttle when we launch on mainnet soon. All right, take care, guys.